I am muting everyone. If you have any questions after this, you can ask. So this is the MMD circular which came yesterday, 8th September, regarding SOPs. It is dated 7th September for written examination in physical attendance mode. That is, you have to go to the respective MMD centers during COVID-19. So what are the preparations you have to do before the examination? That all is given. You should know. I think next month your exams are going to start, second mates and all other mariners, deck side especially. But this is for all. It's not written. It is for deck or engine side. So first you have to have a face shield if you are going. So जिसका जिसका एग्जाम बचा है, you have to get a face shield, or MMD will provide has to provide transparent enclosures at candidate examination table with adequate height covering the face of the candidate. So वो जैसे office, in office you have this table around you, no, temporary table, that kind of transparent table something will be there so that it's not spread. Then there will be minimum 2 meter distance, and you also have to maintain that even while entering or exiting. And the examiner in charge has to ensure that the halls are thoroughly sanitized. So the halls will be sanitized for you. And if two exams are on the same day, then sanitization has to be done between the exams also. Or be in between, manual sanitation with cloth and all will also be done for toilets, doors and all. Then MMD staff should wear PPE like face mask, gloves, visor, goggles, etc. Maybe they are wearing that full suit also, but now MMD center maybe look like your hospital. Sanitizer dispensers should be kept at entrance of examination hall and at various prominent locations in examination center. MMD examiner should assign duties to responsible person for screening and verification of documents prior to candidates entering into examination hall. Responsible person documents, generally what they will check: admit card, and nothing else is there in your pocket. No bag, no mobiles, anything. You can carry the required books and things. Responsible person as part of screening and verification should carry out the following: admit card, passport, CDC also they will verify, body temperature on the wrist, because don't allow the temperature, nobody should allow to measure the temperature on your forehead center, because that is the pineal gland and it's responsible for many functions, and this temperature sensor is causing harm to your mind. And Arogya Setu app everybody should have. Then after this screening and all your belongings should be out, and he will tell you where to sit. And then the candidates have to strictly abide by all other guidelines of MMD. The center has to ensure the answer scripts are distributed and collected from the candidates with PPE and masks. Have to ensure candidates leaving the hall with social distancing. So very few candidates will be allowed. Now main thing for you, what you all have to do: carry your admit card, and which will be given in DGS e-portal. Then you have Arogya Setu app. At least once a day you have to give your status, you are okay. Then you have to report to the MMD 1 hour before starting of the exam. But you cannot move here, and there will be a place, designated place. There you have to sit. Don't crowd or loiter around. Anyways, initially few candidates will only be called. In case of delay of if you arrive less than 1 hour, then they can deny the entry permission, and fees will also be not refunded. Then at the entry time, so this is important, you have to arrive 1 hour prior. Then students are required to show their admit cards with CDC passport and to the invigilator exam official. And at the examination center, students have to thoroughly sanitize your hands. Normal things which you are doing. And maximum temperature is 98.4 degree Fahrenheit. So like, don't try to run or do something. Some people have uh, higher temperature sometimes, but these MMD people, they just go by rules. So if you have tendency to have better temperature, nowadays while you are passing many temples and all, everywhere you have this temperature, it's better to check it before. Then the candidates should ensure wear proper PPE. You have to wear the mask, you have to wear gloves and visor or spectacles before entering the hall. Candidates have to ensure their mobile phones are switched off. Examination will be as per STCW 2014 and no malpractice. Candidates should comply with seating arrangements, 2-meter distance. You can bring drinking water. And while leaving, social distances, no loitering, don't gather in groups, and all the guidelines you have to follow. That's it. So anybody has any question or doubt? आवाज आ रही है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any question, doubt, comments?
Sir, I joined late. I had network issues.
Yeah, okay.
Sir,
Any
class.
other
I didn't.
anyone else has any